2014 Keystone Alpine 3620FL for sale in Mounds, Oklahoma 74047. This 2014 Keystone Alpine 3620FL is ready to redefine your camping experiences. This fifth-wheel RV features a creative floor plan with 6 slide-outs and 1 awning that will comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. This Keystone is ready to help you truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. Hit the road with minimal effort because this Alpine comes with self-leveling jacks by touchpad, and plenty of storage space both inside and out. Get ready to make this 2014 Keystone Alpine 3620FL your next home away from home. This versatile fifth wheel offers the convenience of residential living right on the campsite. It is fully loaded with top-quality amenities, which include great cooking area complete with 3-burner stove, oven, microwave oven, double-door Dometic fridge pantry, double kitchen sink, DineTElectric fireplace, flat screen television, surround sound, CD/DVD/StereoSleeper, SofaShowerMaster, king-size bed with upgraded MattressMaster television with DVDFull size storage, DresserBasement, StorageFurnaceWired for backup generator, aftermarket wholesale warranty till August 19, 2021 that is fully transferable to new owner that incurs a $50 purchase fee that current owner would pay. The warranty encompasses everything in the Viking plan. Value at $2,475 with deductibles at $200 per claim. And so much more. This 2014 Keystone Alpine 3620FL has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. This Alpine is ready to hit the road and make your traveling dreams come true. This unit is priced very competitively, so call today for more information on how you experience everything this fantastic 2014 Keystone Alpine 3620FL has to offer.